So here we have these indical expressions leading to quadratic equation. So for the first one, that is number 1, solution. So for the first one, all I need to do is simply write it 4x plus 2 plus 5 into 4 raised to power x equals to 336. Once I see this kind of expression, what I need to do is to find a way to make this one to look like this. So remember, this is the same thing as saying 4x times 4 raised to power 2. Because in this is said product rule, if the bases are the same, you can add the powers. So plus so what I can do is to say let this 4 raised to power 2 is 16. So 16 times 4 raised to power x plus 5 into 4 raised to power x plus 336. Now I can say, since they are the same, let's 4 raised to the power x be equals to any variable. I can choose y, so that this becomes 16 times this, 16 times y plus 5y equals to 336. So you can see that 16 plus 4 is 20 plus 1. So this is 21y. 16 plus 5 is 21 equals to 336. So I can divide both sides by 21, the coefficient of y. So there you have it. Y will be equals to 16. So let's move to the second question. The second one is 5 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 6 into 5 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 0. So that second question, 5 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 6 raised to power 6 into 5 raised to power x plus 1 is equals to 0. So if you do this well, using the same approach, once I see this kind of question, notice that this is a trinomial. It has 1, 2, 3 terms. So I'll simply say, let this be the same thing as saying 5 raised to power 2x times 5, because raised to power 1. If you take product law for this, product law on this, you see that it's going to give you the same thing here. So minus 6 into 5 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 0. So I can say let this be the same thing as, since I've seen this particular x. So we are intentional about this. Once you learn it, you'll be intentional. It's the same thing as saying 5 raised to power x 1 into 2 times 5. 5 raised to power 1 is the same thing as 5. So minus 6 into 5 raised to power x plus 1 equals to 0. And notice that this and this are the same. So I can say let's p be equals to 5 raised to power x. So even here, this place that I got y to be 16 in this particular one, before I move to the second one, I should have done, remember, because it's x we are finding, remember 4 raised to power x is equals to y. That is for this first one. So that we now do 4 raised to power x is equals to 16. And 4 raised to power x, 16 is the same thing as 4 raised to power 2. Since the bases are the same, x is equals to 2 here. This is my final answer. So let's move back to number 2. So you see that this will be the same thing as saying, let's say this is p, 5p squared. So 5 times p squared is 5p squared minus 6p plus 1 equals to 0. So notice that we now have a quadratic equation before us, and I can use formula method. I can simply do let b now be equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac all over 2a. This is a, this is b, and this is c. So p will be equals to minus this is called minus 6 plus or minus root minus 6 square minus 4 into 5 into 1 all over 2 into 5. So you see now that this is going to be the same thing as saying minus minus is plus. So P will be equals to 6 plus or minus root 36. Minus 6 squared is 30. It's just positive 36. Minus 4 into 5 times 1 is 20. All over 10. So this will give me 6 plus or minus root 16. 36 minus 20 is 16 all over 10. This will give me 6p is equals to 6 plus or minus 4 all over 10. So that means that what this thing means is that p is equals to 6 plus 4 over 10, or 6 minus 4 all over 10. That is what it means. So this is the sentence that says p is equals to 10 over 10 or 2 over 10. So p is equals to 1 or 1 over 5. Remember, I've told you to always leave your answer in fraction. It's better in fraction than in decimal. So we'll now remember that 5 raised to power x is equals to p, which means that when 5 raised to power x is equals to, when p is equals to 1, 5 raised to power x will be equals to 5 raised to power 0, because 5 raised to power 0 is the same thing as 1, so that x will be equals to 0. And when p is equals to 1 over 5, which is the same thing as saying 5 raised to power minus 1, 5 raised to power x will be equals to 5 raised to power minus 1. X will be equals to minus 1. So then let's solve for the third one and the last one, which is 2 raised to power 1 plus 2x plus 3 raised to power x minus 3 equals to 0. So 3 raised to number 3. 3 raised to power 1 plus 2x plus 8 into 3 raised to power x minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is going to be the same thing as saying, 3 raised to power 1 times 3 raised to power x times 2. This is the same thing as this. So plus 8 into 3 raised to power x minus 3 equals to 0. So this will be the same thing as saying 3 raised to power 1 is 3. So we can say let 3 raised to power x be equals to k. In this case, we now have 3k squared plus 8k minus 3 is equals to 0. So using formula method, this will be A, this will be B, this will be C. So I'll just do, in this case is K. K is equals to minus B plus or minus root B square minus 4AC over 2A. So K is equals to minus 8 plus or minus root 8 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 3 all over 2 into 3. Minus 8 plus or minus 8 square minus 4 times 3. C is minus 3. Yes, C is minus 3. Yes, I'm correct. All over. So let's do it. So Q will be equals to minus 8 plus or minus 64. Let's punch that. So I have minus times minus will become plus. So I have 4 times 3 times 3. So I have plus. So sorry, I don't know how we made this mistake. This is 2. This is 3. 2 times 3. This should be 6. I don't know why we're looking at this 3 as 5. It's 3. 6. No, just saw the mistake. So this should be over 6. Over 6. Over 6. Let's carry it all over. So over 6. Over 6. Over 6. So which means that this should have been over 6, which is the same thing as saying into this over 3. So this one should have been 18 over 6. 18 over 6, which is the same thing as saying 2 go here 9, 2 go here 3. Then 3 go here 1, 3 go here 3. Minus 3. Minus 3. So our answer should have been K is equals to 1 over 3. Is equals to 1 over 3 or minus 3. Or minus 3. So that means that this should have been, which is the same thing as saying 3 minus 1. So when 3x, this should be, so that's x will be equals to minus 1. So this should be the answer. X is equals to minus 1. That's our answer. We have no value, nothing for when the base is a negative. We don't do this is for negative base. So this is the final answer, the correct answer.